Hello and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will go for Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil and NASDAQ 100. I will begin with the USD versus Japanese yen first. I'm still waiting for the potential breakout of the 152 key resistance level on the USD Japanese yen. We can see that market, the yesterday market traded pretty much flat and there was a close around 151.76. Today we have a PPI and unemployment claims in US, so this might be a catalyst for the directional move. So the breakout to 152 can be a very significant for in terms of the technical analysis, and there will be a chance for a further upside movement. 61.8 Fibonacci expansion, 61.80 is at 153.55, and then 100% Fibonacci expansion 155.60. On the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we had a down day yesterday, so market is just around this 10 and 20 day moving average, and we can see here around 69,400. As I said, this market is still in the bigger consolidation, and there is this is, for example, daily time frame, and if I take the trend line, we can see here that market is just building this triangle, and there is a chance for more range development before the further breakout. The downside breakout of 64,400 can lead the price towards the 53,000 mark or a 54,000 mark. The upside breakout, and if market can hold above 74,000 mark, there will be a chance for the 80,000 mark and 82,000 mark to be in the play. But so far we have just consolidation and potential for the breakout in next period. Talking about the dollar index, we can see here that on the daily time frame we had a strong support at 103.90 mark, and two times in the last 5 days we had a rejection of this 103.90 mark. Yesterday's close was off the low, so from my view, if the market can break 104.20 and hold above, there will be a chance for a retest of 104.60, 104.68, or even 105.05. On the hourly time frame, we had this strong backup into the moving average yesterday, so this can be a good sign for the further higher prices. On the dollar index, what we have on the gold market, what we have is the week close yesterday, so close in the middle of the high. The 2 days ago we also had a close of the high, so we can see the weakness is building here, but we need a confirmation for the potential downside move. And the confirmation, from my view, is if the market can trade below 23.40. That will be a very good sign for potential lower prices, and maybe even retrace at least towards the 2,300 mark. But we need to be patient and wait for potential downside breakout. Weekly is pretty extended and far away from the moving averages like 10, 20 and 30 week moving average, so there is a chance of potential correction, at least correction daily time frame next period. Now, speaking of the crude oil, we had an inside day yesterday, but it was a down day, close on the low. Weekly time frame, we're trading inside the previous week. Hourly time frame, it's pretty much like a choppy with a key support at 84.90 mark. So if the market can break 84.90 mark, there will be a chance of further drop towards, for example, 83.50, or even lower towards the 81.30 mark. And NASDAQ 100, we have a pretty much chop environment, consolidation with a key resistance at 18,400 mark and key support around 17,900 mark. So the downside breakout of 17,900 mark can be a good confirmation for the further drop towards the 17,350 mark. And that will be all for this update. I hope that you found useful this information, and see you pretty soon.